Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got the boss's boat in today. We're doing a repower on. We've got a 2021 Suzuki 200 inline 4. This is a 20-inch shaft. It will come with the stainless steel prop that is on it. We also have controls available depending on what you need. We'll go ahead and turn the water on here and fire it up. Pumping good water. It does have a stainless prop on it, so we're just going to keep it neutral. I don't want to rev it up or anything like that with no back pressure on a stainless prop. Just want to let you guys hear it run. Might already be sold, but I'm just doing this video just in case. Go ahead and kill it. Kill the water. I will upload the information onto the listing. If you have any questions or you're interested, give us a call at 952-894-4888. Otherwise, you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.